interrupted with the Wscapi Library DLL blocking Windows Security Center API workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. While preparing the manual steps for Wscapi library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Wscapi library, the Windows Security Center API library. It manages localized communication between third-party security software, Antivirus and Firewall, and the Windows Security Center. It facilitates the localized reporting of localized virus definition status. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Because Wscapi Library DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Wscapi library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. If you're attempting to install Wscapi Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes Wscapi library guidance. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Wscapi library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.